Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has made a heartfelt appeal to Percy Tau, urging him to leave Egyptian giants ahly if he wishes to revive his international career with the South African national team. When announcing the squad of South Africa's upcoming Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers against Uganda and South Sudan, Hugo once again left out Tau's name, explaining the striker's current struggles at his club as a key factor in his decision, and said Percy Tau is not playing anymore. He's constantly on the bench, pointing to the challenges the former Brighton and Hove Albion forward has faced since returning to Ahly in 2021. He told the reporters that, "I said 2 months ago that the environment for him at Ahly is not positive." The 30-year-old forward, who has made 50 appearances for his country, had previously asked to be left out of the national squad. This time, however, it was Broos who made the call, emphasizing that Tau's situation in Cairo was affecting his performance and, by extension, his international prospects. According to Broos, Ahly's initial intention to sell Tau created an uncertain environment that has not been conducive to his success. The lack of regular game time, coupled with mounting criticism from South African fans on social media, has seemingly taken a toll on the player's morale. Despite the current setback, Broos expressed optimism about Tau's future, stating that the door remains open for a potential return to Bafana Bafana if the forward can find his footing in a more supportive environment, and said, "I hope he can change clubs, find a more positive environment, and return to the level we know he's capable of. Then he can be a very important player for Bafana Bafana again." Tau's absence from the national team is a blow to South Africa's offense, as the forward was once regarded as one of the country's brightest talents. But Broos is hopeful that a fresh start with a new club could reignite the passion and drive that made Tau a standout for Bafana Bafana. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.